Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial on how to retrieve all Wi-Fi passwords with just one command. You heard me right, with just one command. So before we get into the video, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe, and then it doesn't take anything from you actually, just click on subscribe and that's all. So subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. So let's assume you have or you found an old Wi-Fi, an old router, which let's assume you found an old router and you don't remember the password. You can use this method to retrieve the password, assuming you've connected to it. Okay, so yes, you first of all open command prompts, but as administrator, so Windows S to search, type in CMD, and then you can just right click and then run as administrator. Or you can use this procedure, Windows R, type in CMD, and then that's all, or run as administrator. So the command to get the Wi-Fi password is quite simple. It's just a simple command. As I said, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button to help me do better. The command is net sh wlan export and that's all. But I am not running as administrator, so this command will not be executed. So now let me run it as administrator and see what happens. So let me run it as administrator and you see what will happen. Show the passwords to all Wi-Fi. Going to open it right here and then right click on whatever file you want to view its Wi-Fi password. This password open with. The other software to open it, for instance Visual Studio Code, can open this, but use Notepad if you don't have that to open this. So yes, this is the password for the hotspot I selected. This is the password. Thanks for watching. Click on subscribe to get more content.